All right, welcome back, YouTube, to another video. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. But today, we're working on my Turbo 1500, and I haven't showed a lot of this yet, mostly because it's been a long process. Haven't shown a lot of it, and I've just been wanting to get it done. I haven't been filming it, but I thought I'd film this section and what I've done so far. But yeah, so far I have the turbo mounted up by two bolts right there. They're actually barely even held in because this side, it still needs those two bolts put in. But I have all this pipe hooked up, headers on. This side header's still off, but I have room for the header. I do need to take out the exhaust. I can put the downpipe on if I wanted to, but I've just been slowly working on it. I had the intercooler mounted up, but it sagged too low, so I took it off. And then I'm going to have it remounted so I can hook this back up. And I'll have basically all this side done, which I'll be happy on. And I'll just I'm slowly working on it, but I'm getting it done. Had to unplug these, had to add extensions to them. I mean, it's just little stuff here and there I've been doing. But hopefully next month should be done. That's my goal. But yeah, here's just what I've done so far. I'll update you guys again after I get something else done. Okay, I just got the inner fender well out, so I can put my blow-off valve right there. I don't know if you can see that. I had to take out the whole inner fender well just so I could put this part in, which taking that out was not easy. I had to take all those bolts out. And I still left a bolt in. I couldn't get it out, so I just pulled it out altogether. But yeah, I just pulled my inner fender out to pull off my blow-off valve. And I'll put the pipe in. And I'll get it all mounted and throw this back in. So I finally got the blow-off valve. It's not on there tightly. It's still loose. So I can move it around. But it is on. And I officially have got it on. Which is really good because I'm making good progress, actually. But holy, it was not easy. I had to move this AC line. So I still have to move it because it rubs right here. And I don't want it rubbing. And some of these back wires, they just touch the header. I'm going to heat wrap all of them like this. But, yeah. I mean, just for now, it's all mock-up. This is basically all it still is. But then right here, this is... I actually forgot what this would be. Oh, yeah. It's for the it's for this, but I can't do that yet until I do this, which while the fender's out, I'm actually going to take out that O2 sensor right here. And this, I mean, this is barely held on right now, so it should come out pretty easy. Oh, I can unplug it right here, actually. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'll take this out, and then I'll put, I don't even know what this is called, the U-pipe. The U-pipe on, so it connects from here to the other side of the motor, which the other side of the motor still don't have the header on, but I'll put that on and then I'll put the header on, and then basically all this side will almost be done. I'll just have to focus on this side, which that's good because yeah, I'm mostly just working on this side right now, the main side. I have to move all these coolant lines. I already moved it. My coolant reservoir was right here. I moved it over there. Haven't hooked up any of the lines yet. But I'm just slowly working, slowly getting in it. It's actually not that hard. It's just time consuming. And it's cold out here. It's snowing outside. And there's no heat right now. But yeah, I got my blow-off valve hooked up. And it's pretty good. But yeah, make sure you guys go like and subscribe down below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. And yeah, thank you.